This is a day in the life of a Japanese hot sauce maker. This is Kentaro, 43 years old, living in Japan's heavy snow region of Myoko Niigata, and he's just waking up for work. Kentaro has a wife and son, but last night he spent the night alone here at the Shataku company housing. In Japan, many companies often have these residential facilities for their employees to stay, or even offer permanent lower cost housing as a part of their benefits. He had to work quite late last night, so he decided to stay here because it's a lot closer to work. He usually makes breakfast for his family, but today he's just cooking something quick for himself. I guess he's eating rice with eggs, sausage, taco radish, and freeze-dried instant miso soup. Do you usually eat a lot for breakfast?
量ですか？
Yeah.
量は結構食べます、朝から。量多いですよね。僕も多いなと思ってたんです。
Well, you got a big day ahead of you. Oh, that's an ultralight down from Uniqlo, a very common wear for Japanese in the winter due to the country's exceedingly cold winters. Luckily, it's not snowing today, so he's leaving on time, but on heavy snow days, he often wakes up much earlier as it takes him twice as long to commute to work. In fact, Japan is the snowiest country in the world, with Japanese cities taking the top 3 positions for annual snowfall worldwide. In this Myoko area alone, there are 142 snow days in an average year. Hey, I noticed you've got basketball shoes in the back.
今はプレーはしないんだけど、子供たちに教えたりして。
Nice, how's the team?
今は弱いけどみんな楽しそうにやってます。
Well, that's important. Who's your favorite player?
コビー・ブライアントだったけど、最近プレー見てて面白いのはジャモラントっていうと面白い。
Dope. Good morning, everyone. I'm back with another day in the life, and I'm beyond excited for this one because I also get to share with you the makings of my new original made in Japan Paolo from Tokyo hot sauce. This has been one of my dreams for such a long time now, and one of the people responsible for helping make it all happen is Kentaro, who should be arriving shortly. Good morning.
おはようございます。
Did you sleep well last night?
まあよく寝ましたよ。今日社長に大事な商品見てもらう日なんで、ちょっと緊張してますけど、はい、頑張ります。
This is his workplace, Kanzuri, a family-owned small batch producer of a one-of-a-kind fermented chili paste, also named Kanzuri. Its original form dating back more than 400 years as the Niigata people carried it into battle as a way to supplement their nutrition and warm their bodies. Still undiscovered by much of the world, this spicy, umami-rich ingredient is widely known among culinary experts and chefs throughout Japan. And Kentaro has been working tirelessly for the company for the last 9 years in sales, along with 18 other artisans and staff to make it all happen.
おはようございます。
おはよう。
The first thing he does is clean with all of the other workers. It's a typical part of Japanese office culture as they believe that it will brighten the workplace and improve work efficiency. So much so that there's even a common saying in Japan, make it cleaner than when you arrived. Hey, what's that?
これアルコールチェッカー。毎日運転するんで毎日チェックしてます。
Isn't that safe?
おはようございます。いら
Oh, they're studying chore, a typical Japanese morning meeting that's attended by everyone in the company. After practicing formal greetings and discussing the day's agenda, like most other companies, here they read from their workplace education booklet, as they believe that this form of proactive participation energizes the atmosphere and fosters a strong sense of unity. Now he has some desk work. So, what do you exactly do?
ちょっと僕営業なのでお客様と連絡を取り合ったり、関連の商品を売り込んだり、配達したり。
Ah, are you the only salesperson?
私ともう一人、二人でやってます。
So what's the most challenging part for you?
知名度を広げること。カンズリって何っていうのをまず知ってもらうのが一番難しいですね。
Unlike widely understood Japanese condiments like wasabi or miso, which are produced by a multitude of companies, they're the only ones in the world who produce kanzuri. It's a massive business challenge for a local producer like themselves to introduce their product to a wide domestic customer base, let alone the rest of the world. Yet, it's Kentaro's primary responsibility to get it done. And when he does, he says there's nothing like seeing his new customers fall in love with kanzuri after just the first taste, which is exactly what happened to me and why nothing brings me more joy than to be able to help and support local Japanese artisans, like them who perfected their rare craft. Hey, what are you doing?
お神様いるんですよ。朝一番で缶釣りの一番最初の出たものをあげます。毎朝。
Wow, interesting. Now he has a meeting with the artisan responsible for crafting their hot sauce. So what are you two gonna talk
今
about?
回パウロさんと企画したコラボ商品のサンプルです。この中から今日は社長にプレゼンするものを確認するために味わったりします。
裏ごししてないのと裏ごししてあるやつです。
はい。
It's truly been an amazing experience to be part of this meticulous journey to create the perfect bottle of hot sauce. In fact, these are just some of the final blends, as many more samples were created before this. The ultimate goal to craft a premium fiery hot sauce with a deep Japanese umami flavor that I'd be proud to share with all of you. We experimented with various types of chili peppers, premium shoyu, Japanese soy sauce, and even premium kanzuri chili paste aged for at least 6 years to get the perfect blend of spiciness, taste, and consistency. And now they're reconfirming my top selected blends.
バランス考えるとやっぱりこれかね。
そうですね。
Kentaro, what do you think about my favorite blend?
今売ってるうちの商品のよりももっと辛いですよ。パンソースはもっと辛いです。
Perfect. Can I taste it
あ、
again?
もちろんぜひ。
Let me just double check that this is the one. Oh, that is the umami and fire right there. This, I think it's the one. You can tell I'm already sweating just a little bit. Seriously, there is no hot sauce like this in the world. The umami is so flavorful and then the fire is unmatched. No doubt, this is
はい、
it.
じゃあこれでいきましょう。
So it looks like Kentaro is gonna be doing a little bit more desk work over here. So while he's doing that, let's see what's cooking up around here. So now that I'm suited up, let's go see what's going on in the factory. Hi, what are you doing?
これカンズリという調味料を原料を混ぜ合わせて仕込みという作業をこれから始めます。
Apparently, the blending only happens a few times in the winter months. Kanzuri itself is a chili paste that's been fermented for at least 3 years, crafted from 4 simple ingredients: rice koji from Niigata, fresh yuzu from Kochi Prefecture, akaho sea salt, and snow-bathed red chilies grown on their own nearby fields. Wow, you can really smell the yuzu. One of the elements that sets Kanzuri apart is its use of fresh yuzu, producing a captivating zesty citrus flavor which pairs harmoniously with the spiciness of the red chilies. Hot damn, look at that fiery red chili pepper. They're newly planted locally every year with seeds from the previous harvest. This ensures a high and consistent quality, but it also means that the quantities are highly limited. The blend is fermented and aged for at least 3 years, which elevates its umami to new depths, forming a unique chili paste infused with yuzu's citrus notes, a technique that these artisans have refined and mastered over the last half century. Now, let's go to the kitchen where they craft the hot sauce. Hi, what's cooking?
今回作ってるのは赤ソースになります。
Nice. What do you need to be most careful about?
ソースを焦がさないことですね。焦がすとやっぱりえぐみが出てしまったりとかしてしまうので注意はしてます。
Thank you.
ありがとうございます。
So apparently just before this, I missed the skilled artisans hand blending what's gonna be the red kaminari hot sauce made with kanzuri aged at least 3 years, habanero chili peppers, and shoyu. But maybe next time that I visit, I can, dare I say, show you. So this is where my hot sauce is going to be bottled. Well, that's if it all goes well later today with the owner. Then my signature Paolo fromTOKYO Premium Kaminari hot sauce will go into production. Made with an original blend of their premium Kaminari chili paste aged 6 years for a deeper umami, locally grown Carolina Reaper peppers for that extra fire, and shoyu, a Japanese soy sauce. And it'll be bottled just like this by one of the artisans, inspecting each empty bottle one by one to ensure that there are no breaks or defects. And it was only just recently they installed a labeling machine. Before this, each and every label was applied by hand. Although now, faster than before, much of the hot sauce crafting process today is still performed by the artisans themselves, which is why they can only craft small batches of 1,200 bottles at a time. But this guarantees the utmost attention to detail and an unrivaled taste experience. So apparently right by the factory they're laying out the chilies. This extraordinary technique is performed by only these artisans, known as Yuki Sarashi. Yuki meaning snow and Sarashi meaning to lay open. Hand-picked sea salt pickled chili peppers are spread over the pristine snow-covered fields at the foot of the majestic Mount Myoko during the coldest days of winter. Left undisturbed for a period of 3 to 4 days, these peppers undergo a remarkable transformation, developing their innate umami flavors in perfect harmony with nature, ultimately becoming the foundational ingredient for kanzuri chili paste. What are you doing now?
これからお客さんのところに配達に行きます。
So Kentaro needs to go out for a delivery to one of his customers who runs a local business. His first stop is a Tonjiru restaurant, Tachibana. It's typical in Japanese sales culture to have regular face-to-face interactions to show customers that they are highly valued, as customers generally feel more comfortable when they work with someone they know. For a Japanese salesman, building relationships is the most critical part of their job. And he's having lunch here. By the way, what's your favorite food? Haha, me too. It smells so good. I guess he's having a set with tonjiru, pork soup with vegetables, and of course he's eating it with kanzuri.
めちゃくちゃ辛いけど。
Many local restaurants are kanzuri's customers, as it's very much a local specialty, so he often eats lunch as he stops by for deliveries. He says that being able to get to know all of his customers is one of the things he enjoys most about his job. Now, off to the next delivery. This time it's at the station. Since kanzuri is such an iconic Niigata souvenir item, he has several customers here at the souvenir section. What's that?
缶ずりが入ったサーモンのしょう
Perfect drinking food.
またお願いします。
どうも。
Hey, aren't you cold?
僕ねすごいいっぱい着てるんですよ。ダウンベストも着てるし、寒い時は持ってきても。
I guess you're used to the weather.
高橋さん定規ある。
Now he's gonna prepare for my hot sauce presentation to the owner. The box designs are still being drafted, but he wanted to hand make a demo to show what the final product may look like.
できました。
Oh wow, they could be the real deal. Oh, it seems like he's discussing an important business matter. As a Japanese salesman, it's important that he's able to quickly address and solve customer issues that may come out of the blue. It helps cultivate trust and reliability with his customers.
来年ってまだ11ヶ月後。
So what happened?
停止してほしいって言われた書類が出てないって言われてたんだけど、うちにはもともと必要のないものだったんで電話して解決しました。
Oh, good to hear.
お疲れ様です。神崎森です。
So it looks like Kentaro has to take a call, so while he's doing that, let's explore a little bit. Let's ask that guy some questions. Oh, that's the owner. Hi, can I bother you?
Hi.
So you're which generation again?
私で3代目になります。
Nice. And what's the most challenging part of your job?
作り始めてから商品になるまでに3年かかりますので、この3年後の出荷量を見込んで仕込まないと余ったり足りなくなったりとかするのと、今食べた味と3年後の変わっていくであろう味を想像しながら作るっていうのがやっぱり一番難しいところですね。
Ah, that makes sense. Thank you.
ありがとうございます。
Just through the door right here, it looks like they have their own store built into the shop. They seriously have so many Kanzuri products. They have set Kanzuri boxes. Over here they have Kanzuri sausages. There's even Kanzuri in the gelato. Oh look, and these are the Carolina Reaper, the habanero chilies. And these are the chilies that they use to make Kanzuri. They even have a Kanzuri curry. Maybe we'll have to make our own curry and snacks as well. Okay, the moment of truth. Kentaro's gonna present my Paolo from Tokyo hot sauce to the owner.
キャロライナの分量変えたりとか、カンズリを分量変えて、あと吟醸カンズリに変えたりということで試行錯誤をちょっとしまして。
I hope he likes it.
匂いももう
You're obviously okay with spiciness,
辛い
right?
のは大丈夫です。ただここで辛いやつだとね結構厳しいかな。
強烈ですよね。
辛いわ。たったこれだけでも辛いわ。でもトマトとやっぱり辛いのって合うな。
ラベルも箱も仮で作ったのはこれ。
いいんじゃないかな。
はい。
じゃあこれでいきましょう。
わかりました。ありがとうございます。
Wild! He approved the production. Thank you so
どうも
much.
よろしくお願いします。
よろしくお願いします。
絶対売れると思う。これも絶対売れると思う。
Okay, so I'm so excited. They just approved the bottle. This is what it's kind of gonna look like. So by the time you see this video, my Paolo from Tokyo Premium Kaminari hot sauce is gonna be available. Go to paolofromtokyohotsauce.com to purchase the hot sauce. The plan is to initially produce a limited 2,400 bottles, all handcrafted here in Japan. I'm telling you, I've searched far and wide, and there is no hot sauce in the world that has an umami and fire like this one. Just a fair warning, it's hot. Maybe not Western, it's gonna kill you to death kind of hot, but it's Japanese hot. So if you don't want to wait and you want to be one of the first ones to try my Paolo from Tokyo Premium Kaminari hot sauce, check out the link in the description, the pinned comment, or the icon in my merch store just below this video.
失礼します。
At the end of the day, it's part of Kentaro's daily routine to write a log for himself, which helps him remember small events that will hopefully drive future sales. Are you done?
はい、今日はもう終わりです。今日は仲間たちと社長と飲み会があるんで、帰り楽しみに帰ります。ではお疲れ様でした。お疲れ様です。
Yay, finally finished.
また後でお願いします。
After work, he usually goes to his son's school to pick him up at basketball practice, or go straight home to have dinner with the family. But today they're having company drinks called a nomikai at an izakaya drinking restaurant where they also serve dinner. Nice, everyone is here. What's that?
日本では飲み会の前と飲みます。
It's uko no chikara, a turmeric drink that's supposed to help prevent hangovers. This is the go-to pre-drink for many Japanese before a heavy night of drinking.
はい、乾杯。お疲れ様です。うまい。
And fun little fact, back in Japan's Edo period, restaurants didn't offer alcohol, so people instead drank at alcohol stores, sipping the drinks that they just bought there, eventually named izake, which is where the term izakaya came from.
お願いします。
So it looks like Kentaro and his friends will be drinking here until 9 o'clock, and then after that they'll probably find another place and drink until maybe around 11. Finally they'll take a Daiko taxi home, and then that's pretty much a day in the life of a Japanese hot sauce maker. If you guys like this video, help me out and hit that like button. If you guys want to help support the channel, then definitely check out my hot sauce. Go to paolofromtokyohotsauce.com to check it out. And if you guys want to see more videos like this or anything related to Japan, hit that subscribe button and the bell button. I'll catch you guys in the next one.